All right, one of the questions I came up with for the questions prompt was, how do I teach my students to find and understand the reasoning behind the information I provide? My answer to that question was to help students understand the reasoning behind the information I provide. Asking and answering questions is absolutely essential. Both the teacher knowing what questions to ask and how to ask them, and then also allowing the students time to think about and ask questions in return. So the teacher needs to think about why they're going to ask the question before they can develop it. Then once they've figured out their purpose in asking the question, like, are they going to try and get the student to find specific information, or are they trying to make them think and apply it to their own lives? There's a lot of different possible results the teacher could want, and that's what you need to think about first. Then they need to create a question that would produce that result. After that, they should make sure the question is open-ended, not just a yes or no question. Otherwise, the student won't have as much chance to think. And then it is important to allow the students time to think about the question, not just ask it and then quickly answer it yourself because you get nervous or something about when no one's talking. In the article that was provided to me in one of the responses to my question, it talked about 4 main types of questions: ones that help search for information, ones that help analyze for understanding, ones that invite feelings and testimonies, and then encourage applications. And all of those are essential for understanding.